just started an introduction, okay, in our previous class about tracing changes through 1,000 years. Okay, so we know that history it is too vast and many things are explained in history about the things which was happened in past. Okay,
Ma'am.
Yes,
so
ma'am.
yeah, so it is very difficult for us to remember all these things and all these dates connected, because historians they are connecting each and every event with the dates. Okay, so we need to remember all these dates related with the life of a ruler, when he was born, when he led the battle against another country, or when he died. Okay, or which battle, which year. So we know that it is too confusing with the dates. So for easy to understand history, or to make the study of history better, historians are dividing history into three main periods. Okay, there are many classifications are there, but this periodization it is being widely accepted by the historian, that is ancient, medieval, and
Modern.
modern. Okay, and you have learned much about the ancient period in your sixth standard. Okay, previous year you have
Yes,
learned
ma'am.
about yes, the means the activities or the life of the people during the ancient time, from hunter gatherers. Okay, from yearly they were depending the forest for their livelihood. They ate the things they got from the forest. They lived in forest. Okay, so they merely depending upon the forest during the ancient period. Later on what did happen?
Ma'am, then there was changes.
Ah, yes,
Change.
there was changes. They
Confused.
started to produce the crops. They were
And then
started to
started to farm and
build
hunt.
a shelter. Okay, shelter. Then the cloth wheel was invented. So that means so transportation. Okay, was developed. So there was many changes. So we know that as time changes, as time goes, changes are happening. Okay,
Yes,
that's what
ma'am.
I have told you. When we, I mean, you can ask to the grandparents, or just think about your childhood. I mean, when you were in KG, the things which were used at that time, you people were used at that time, it is not the same now you people are using. Do you feel so?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So the things are changing. Many things we used at the past, we are not using it. So as time goes, changes are happening. So even your hairstyle or many things are being changed, right? When you are in KG or in first standard, second standard, the way you dressed, the things you used for makeups, everything it is being changed. Do you feel
Yes,
so?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
That means that as time changes, I mean, things also being
Things also will
changing.
change.
Okay, it's also being changes. So historians, for making history to study better, means it's divided. Okay, into three. Which are the three period?
Ma'am, ancient,
Ancient,
medieval,
ancient, medieval,
modern.
and modern.
Okay,
Modern.
ancient, medieval, and modern. Ismail, can you tell me which are the three periodization of history?
Ancient, medieval, modern.
Modern. Ancient means very old time. Means the people merely depending the forest for their survival. Okay. But medieval ages. Medieval ages, it is the period which changes began to appear. Okay. So many changes was happened mainly in mainly during this medieval ages. Okay. And modern period, we know that modern, the term modern
And
itself.
the
Okay,
term
from that, yes, from that
term
word
new.
itself, we could understand that
New.
means progress in every field. Okay, every field, progressive things. That means in science, technology. Then what about all these things? The society was improved a lot. Okay, modern
Okay, ma'am.
innovative ideas can be seen in the modern period. Okay, so now in this chapter we were discussing about the medieval ages. Okay, the changes which was happened during the medieval period, and many new political changes was happened. religious changes was happen. Many scholars who visited during this time into India. Okay, many of the scholars they visited India during this time, and technological development. Okay, so these all things we are discussing in this chapter. Okay, so are you ready, my dear kids?
Yes, ma'am. We are ready.
Okay, this chapter is very easy, but some names are, it is means old names are there, so it is hard to remember
Ma'am,
that
adjust.
names. Yes, tough names are there, unless no problem. It's definitely a good experience for you. As someone, I think Smriti or Ashish, someone told me it's we need to study about our past, how our ancestors, how they lived, and what are the things they used. Okay, all these things we are discussing now. Let me open. And children, during this medieval time, I have told you 700 to 1750. That I told you.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
the
Yes, ma'am.
the
Medieval
medieval
period.
time.
Yes.
Medieval period.
Ma'am, this is the time period of the medieval
Yes.
period.
Yes. Someone's audio. Okay. And children, during this time, map making was prevalent. Map making. Okay. And cartography refers. Okay, means the map making. Okay, the term used to refer map making, it is cartography. So, who will be a cartographer?
Ma'am,
Person who
ma'am, the
makes
person who
or
makes the
design a map.
map.
Person who makes map.
Makes map.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
so these cartographers, do they travel and make maps, or do they collect information from
collect
people who are
information.
already
Okay, collect
traveling?
information about a particular place, and sometimes they used to travel also. Okay,
To note
geographers,
the
those geographers.
special
Who is a geographer?
Ma'am, who studies about the earth?
Earth. Okay, so children, so the medieval time refers to the period between 700 to 1750 CE. Okay, common era. So we were discussing about the changes which was happened
Excuse
during
me,
this
ma'am.
time. Yes.
Can you say one more what's cartographer?
Who is calling me?
Ma'am
Ameya.
Ananya.
Ananya. Tell me, Ananya.
Ma'am, can you explain what's cartography and cartographer once more? I
I'm
have seen
going
that.
to. I'm going to. Okay. So, children, so we were studying about the different things which was happened during the medieval changes. That means that which are the major political developments which were happened during this period. The scholars, many scholars who visited India during this time. Okay. Then there was a change, the people lived, the society was changed, the religion, okay, religious development was there. So we will discuss about all these things. No need to write this all, just listen to me. Okay, so we were discussing all these changes which was happened during the medieval time. Okay, what was the time span of medieval ages?
Ma'am, 700 to
700 to
1750.
1750
Yes,
C.
yes, 700 to uh, 1750.
1750.
Okay, so we were discussing about the changes during this time. So during this time, map making or cartography, please note it down, children, the study and practice of making maps. Map making was prevalent during this time, and cartographer. Who is a cartographer? A
Person
person
who
who
decides.
makes map.
Study and
Yes.
practice of
Yes.
making maps.
Cartography or the practice means cartography means the study and practice of making maps, and cartographer is a person who makes map. Okay. Abhyuday, who is a cartographer?
A person who makes maps.
A person who makes map. Ayan, who is a cartographer?
A person who makes maps.
Okay. Okay. So children, now you listen to me. No need to write anything. Just listen to me. After then I will give time to you to write. Okay. See children, I will show you one map which was made in the year. No need to write. Listen to me. After then I'll give time to write. Okay. So children, I'll show you. Here you can see the picture. Unless you can see it on the textbook. Okay. If this picture is not clear, just or let me. Is it clear? This picture is more clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
First map. Okay. This
Ma'am.
first map, it was made in 1154. No need to write. Please listen to me. So it was made in 1154 by an Arab geographer. His name was Al-Idrisi. No need to write. Okay. Al-Idrisi. See children, just see this map. Just see this map, and if you could see anything particular, tell me about it.
Ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am, the map looks like a horse shape.
the maps look like a horse shape. Okay, anything else? Just see the position or the location of the places. Is this map is familiar to you? Do you feel any similarity with any?
Indian map.
Huh? Hiba?
Ma'am,
Ah, yes.
is it a Indian map?
You can guess. I'm not supposed to tell anything. Where you could find India?
In that
Ma'am, at the bottom.
peninsula.
Bottom. Very good, Aldous. See, children. See? Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Find any similarity with this, with the India?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm in the
You
map.
know, children. Any other idea? Any other country you could means you could see or find out from this map? I'll share my
Sri
time.
Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
Hmm?
Sri
Devika?
Lanka.
Ma'am, that
Ah,
Sri Lanka is in the top. Ma'am, Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. Yes, where we
At
could find Sri Lanka?
Ma'am, that circle. At the top.
Yes, in the top. Okay, children, this map. Okay, children, this one, this points do I really want from you people, children. This was the first map which was made in the year 1154 by. Now you can note down the points by an Arab geographer. What was his name?
Al-Idrisi.
Al-Idrisi. Okay, Al-Idrisi. Please note it down, children. The map which was made in about Indian subcontinent, okay, India, which was made in the year 1154 by an Arab geographer, Al-Idrisi. Okay, and we could see upside down India. Okay, an upside down India. That means that India at bottom and Sri Lanka at the top. Okay.
Ma'am, was this the first map?
Huh?
Was this the first map?
Yeah. Okay. So this was made in 1154 by an Arab geographer. His name was Al-Idrisi, and place names, as he means he was an Arab geographer. The place names were marked in Arabic. Please note down the important features or the points related to this map. Geetika, who was the Arab geographer? What was the name of Al-Idrisi? Which year this map was made?
1154.
1154. Okay. Ananthakrishnan, last class you were absent. I think what happened you? Ananthakrishnan? Anandu, turn on your video. Gavri and Malavika, were you late to the class? Malavika, Gavri, can you hear me? I'm not getting any response. Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
But they were not responding to me. Ashish, tell me about the first map. Who made it? Which year?
Ma'am, made in 1154.
Okay.
Then Arabic geographer.
Arab geographer.
Arab geographer.
Al.
Al-Idrisi.
Idrisi. Okay. Then.
Place names are marked in Arabic.
Then what is peculiar about that map? That I want to.
India is upside down.
Yes. Okay. It was, we could see an upside down India in that one. Sri Lanka is on the top and India at the bottom. Anna, can you repeat these points?
Ma'am, it was made in 11,054.
1054?
1154.
Okay. Okay.
Arab geographer Al-Idrisi and place names are marked in Arabic.
Okay. Okay. Place names were marked in Arabic and we could see an upside down India. Okay. Sri Lanka is on the top and India, it is bottom. Yes, Aldous.
Ma'am, we have to write that about the upside down India.
Yeah, sure. I will show you the points. Okay, so these points are clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So children, yes, Al-Idrisi and his upside down map. So in this map, he was a 12th century cartographer, a person who make maps. He was from Morocco. Okay. Then
Should we write all this?
not needed. Only
Okay,
the
ma'am.
points which I have showed you before. So his upside down map, that you want to note it down, children. That means that upside down map means above India is an island which could be Sri Lanka. We could see Sri Lanka on the top and India at the bottom. Okay, that points you have to mark. My dear kids, please switch on your video. Asna, Ayush, Ananthakrishnan, are you there? Gauri, Malavika.
Excuse me, ma'am. Which
Tell
point?
me. This point.
Second point or third point?
This one. Upside down map.
Okay.
India, bottom at the bottom, and above it is Sri Lanka. No need to write this all. This would be confusing for you. Okay, Smriti, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you explain about the first map?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the first map was made by Al-Idrisi. He was an Arab geographer who lived in 1154.
Who made it in 1154. Okay, then.
And the name of the places in the map is written in Arabic.
Yeah.
Then the south comes at the top, which means India is drawn upside down.
Yes.
And the Arabia comes in the
Sri Lanka, we could see on the top.
And an island seen on top could be Sri Lanka.
Yes. Okay, children. Is it okay? Children?
Yes, ma'am. It is okay.
Okay, children, I'll show you the same area. Means after 600 years, the second map, which was made in the year 1720. That means that 600 years after the first map. Okay, and it was made by a French cartographer. And children, both these map covers the same area. Okay, do you find any similarity or any particular about the second map?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the map shows.
Similar to, is it similar to present map of India?
Ma'am, the map
Yes,
was
ma'am.
like,
Yes, ma'am.
left part of the other map.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so children, so what do you mean by this? That means both this map covers the same area. The first map, which was made in the year 1154, the second map was made in 1720, 600 years after the first map, and both covers the same area, but it is entirely
Different.
different. Okay, entirely different. So what we were talking about, what we were discussing about this chapter, children, that means that as time goes, the changes are happening. Okay, so even means in the case of map making, the changes are happen. That means it was happened during the medieval time. That means even in the case of map making, the changes were happening. So children, I will explain more about the second map, which was made in the year 1720 by a French cartographer. His name was not given in the textbook, but this map was used by many European sailors and also a French cartographer. His name was given in the textbook, that is Guillermo de Isle. I have told you these names all are bit tough to pronounce, and also the spellings also. Okay,
The spelling of that
tell
name.
me.
Ma'am, the name Ilamod is something like that, right?
Guillermo de Isle. Yeah, it is there in the textbook. I'll tell you the page number 2. Page number 2. Have you seen it? In that column.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. French cartographer. He used the atlas. What do you mean by atlas?
Mama, big map.
Book of maps. Okay, book of maps. Yes. Then Guillermo de Isle. Just underline there in the textbook. No need to remember. Just go through this name. So children, so the second map, which was made in the year 1720 by a French cartographer, and this map, so children, so the first map, it was means the place names were marked in which language? First map?
Ma'am, in
Arabic.
Ma'am, in Arabic.
Yes.
Ma'am, in Arabic.
Okay, and the second map, in this one, it was especially mentioned about Kanauj. Kanauj, it is a place in UP, Uttar Pradesh. So I have told you many names of the places is entirely different. Okay, that means the old name and the present name, it is entirely different. But especially we could remember the name of a place, that was Kanauj, a place in UP. And in this map, it was useful for the European sailors for their voyages, because coastal areas are particularly explained. What do you mean by coastal areas?
Ma'am, the border near the sea.
Related to the seaside. See children, so by this map was useful for the European sailors for their voyages. So children, what was the ambition, or why the European, how these Europeans came over to India? Through land or through sea route?
Spices.
They came for trade. Okay, through which route? By land or by sea?
Ma'am, sea route.
Sea route. Okay, so this map was helpful for these European people to reach over to Indian subcontinent and it paved the way for the domination of Indian subcontinents by the British people.
Ma'am,
Okay, yeah.
ma'am, so does that mean that this map is the enemy of Gandhiji? And because of that, they could come
Not
here.
Gandhiji. Anyway, the Indians were really, they were desperate by this map, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Made the European people to reach over India.
Here.
Ashish,
would be a
are
hidden
you
country.
here? You listening to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Asna Fatima,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me about the second map.
Made in 1720. French
1720.
French cartographer.
Cartographer. Okay.
Coastal areas are particularly
Coastal areas.
detailed.
Okay, this map gives more details about the coastal areas. Then
Mentioned
about Kanauj. Okay, Kanauj, a place in UP, but the name was spelled in another way, Kanauj. Okay, Kanauj. Okay, then
used by
European sailors for their voyages. Okay, these two means this map enabled the European people to reach over to our country. Okay, India. So children, so when this means this the second map, it was almost similar to the present map of India. That means that even after 600 years. Okay, so the first map which was made in 1154 and the second map which was made in 1720. So both, even though both this map covers the same area, it was entirely different. Okay, so even the map means cartography was changed within the span of time. Is it clear to you? Do I need to explain any of the point?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Harriet, is it okay? Harriet? Some videos still see children, if you means if you people are facing any network issue, just inform me.
Ma'am.
Smriti.
Ma'am, this Kannauj and Uttar Pradesh and all is map 1 or map 2?
Map 2. Map 2.
Ma'am, because in the textbook, like it comes place names are marked in Arabic, then comma, then and there are some well-known names like Kannauj and also.
Second map, dear. It is about the second map.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, Malavika, Anantakrishnan, are you there? Ayush, switch on your video. Anantakrishnan, I will put in waiting room. Because, Malavika, switch on your video. Gauri. Now it's okay. Is there any network issue, Malavika? I'm not getting any response. Okay, children, listen to me. So we were discussing about the changes which was happened in during the medieval period. The science of cartography. Okay, cartography or the map making. What do you mean by cartographer? Cartographer. Who is a cartographer?
I'm a person who makes the map.
Okay, a person who makes map. And Kanishk, tell me about the first map. Which year it was made?
It was made in 1154.
1154. Ananya, who made the first map?
Ma'am, Al-Idrisi.
Al-Idrisi, an Arab geographer. Okay, then Namasya, tell me the peculiar thing about the first map. What is peculiar about the first map? It's not audible. Nia?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is upside down.
Upside down. Okay, India we could see at bottom and Sri Lanka, the top. Okay, and place names were marked in
Arabic.
yes.
Arabic.
Place names were marked in Arabic. Okay, and what about the second map, Vrisa?
Ma'am, made in 1720, French
Yeah.
cartographer, coastal areas are particularly detailed. Mentioned Hanuj, which is a
Cannot.
place of
Okay.
beauty
Uh,
used by European sailors, and
sailors.
the person who made the map name is that Guglielmo de Ilse.
Guillaume de Isle. Okay, so children, so this all about cartography, which was prevalent during the medieval ages. As time goes, the changes will happen. Okay, even in the field of map making. And you know, children, not only in case of map making, even the language. Okay, even the language, the words, you know, children, we do have a class by Josie sir. Okay, Josie sir plus two, our senior coordinator, right? And you know, children, when he talk about the words and language, when he studied during his childhood, okay, when he was attending the school, he said many of the letters were in used in Malayalam. It was entirely different. Okay, it was entirely different than the present day Malayalam, means the letters. You know how you will write Kla?
Ma'am, like we'll put ka then
Kla.
Ka
Kla,
and
how we will write?
ma'am, it's down. It is la.
Is it so?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Kla. But when he was a child, you know, he used to write like this, not like this. Mm.
yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that
Yeah.
means that you know you can ask your grandparents. Okay, that means that not the same letters we used, means we used in Malayalam. They studied in a different way. Okay, not the same letters, not the way which we have written, means which we are writing now. It's not the same way before. Okay, so children, even not only the words, even the meaning, the language, which all things, okay, which was used in the medieval time, it was entirely different at now. For example, Hindustan, have you heard this term?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you hear this term, what comes to you, what will comes to your mind?
Ma'am, about
Hindustan.
India.
Oh, India. Okay, means our country, India, with all states. Okay, that political sense. We will think about when we hear Hindustan, we will think it in a political sense as our country, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
But
Yes, ma'am.
during the medieval time, you know, children, when you hear this, you will, I think, you'll surprise. That means the same word has different meaning in different time during the medieval ages. Okay, so children,